Do you feel like your life largely consists of just two parts? Working and preparing for the workday ahead? It's like if from Monday through Friday, you had to forget about what makes you happy, the things that inspire you, and working on your dreams. How you spend your evenings has a bigger impact on your life than you believe. Your evenings are the biggest periods of free time you will get in your life, bigger than the free time you have during the weekends. However, most people waste it. You need to develop the ability to enjoy life after work. Just like how you would think of your weekends. During the weekend, you would not just spend your time doing house chores and getting everything ready for the work week, but you will also use that time to have fun and connect with your loved ones. That may be the easiest way to change your evening's mindset, to think of them as a weekend, not as the end of the working day. You might be thinking, and what about all the prep that needs to be done for the next working day? If you are the type of person who does next working day preparation every day, you are doing it wrong. Batching most preparation in a single day saves you a lot of time. Instead of getting your outfit ready or preparing your lunch the night before, prepare all your week outfits at once. Cook all your lunch meals at once and freeze them. You could set aside the Sunday mornings for all week preparation. In consequence, your evenings will be free now to divide them into 3 categories. It is very important that the following 3 categories order is respected, since your energy level and willpower will keep decreasing as you approach sleep time. So this order takes advantage of your natural energy levels. The first category is self-improvement. Right after you finish or leave work, the first activity you need to invest your time in is in something that will pay off in the future. Focus on improving or learning a skill that translates into a material benefit for yourself. We advise you to divide self-improvement into 2 subcategories. The first one, a self-improvement activity that helps you increase your income short or mid-term. Depending on what you do for a living, this could be learning or improving a skill that has a direct impact on being promoted or growing your business. The second self-improvement subcategory should be doing any type of physical activity for at least 30 minutes once you have finished the first self-improvement activity. The second evening category, and probably the most important, is enjoyment. This is your dedicated time to do activities that are fun, that make you feel happy. It could be watching your favorite TV series, socializing with your friends or family, or enjoying your hobbies. The reason we consider this as the most important category is because this is a time when you recharge. Doing activities you love reminds you why you work so hard every day. It gives you a good perspective on what the truly important things in life are. Without taking this enjoyment time, nothing of what you do matters. The third category is shutting down. This is a time to signal your body it has to slow down to enter an optimal condition to have a restful sleep. It is important that at least 1 hour prior to sleeping, you have no contact with screens, since screen's light overstimulates your brain, being the opposite of what you need to do. The activities you have to engage with have to be stress-free and relaxing. Reading on paper is a good choice, as long as you don't read stressing news or a horror story. Relaxing is key. You could also listen to relaxing music. Do any activity that helps you relax. Your following day's productivity depends on how you decide to spend your evenings. Use your evenings to build, recharge, and disconnect. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.